Hundreds of people marched from Joubert Park to the Department of Education in Johannesburg this afternoon, and this was in support of the 7-year-old Kwekwe from the Eastern Cape in Matatiele. In October of 2024, the little girl was brutally raped allegedly at her school, Big View College, which the Eastern Cape Department of Education has subsequently deregistered. Appeals to law enforcement to intensify efforts to crack down on the case have been coming in since Friday of last week from political parties, civil organizations and campaigners and ordinary citizens as well.
Kuzakala izigi njengoba namhlanje amakhulu abantu okuhlanganisa namaqembu ezepolitiki kanjalo nezinhlangano ezilwela amalungelo abantu zimasheleke emahhovisi ezemfundo esifundazweni saseGauteng ukufuna ke ukulungisa ecaleni lokudlwengula kwentombazanyana eneminyaka eyisikhombisa okubeka ukuthi yadlwengula isesikoleni iBakeview College endaweni yaseMatatiele.
I am a mother, umfazi, and I know the pain of what Umama Kwekwe is going through. To be failed by the justice system, in order for your issue or a case to attention, you have to go to social media. No, enough is enough.
We are here as the Women's League from Greater Johannesburg. We are here to support the youth, the COSAS, that enough is enough. The perpetrator must be arrested. In fact, by now, he was supposed to have been arrested. We can't take this anymore.
Kusenjalo ababe yingcenye yale mashi bagqugquzele izisulu ukuba zikhulume nalabo ezibathembayo ukuze zizothola usizo.
Invuyisa kakhulu bona abantu bonke abantu abaninzi kangaka baphuma bezoxhasa yonke lento because as much as ngenzeka emzalweni one but ingenzeka nakubani na.
Woman in South Africa who has been raped. I'm also a victim and I've kept quiet about it. So I'm using my voice to speak up for Kwekwe, and I would love the justice system to use all the resources that they would have used on me on Kwekwe.
Namhlanje sizelana ngoba sifuna ijustice for uKwekwe and not just uKwekwe kuphela but amanye ama-victim angaphandle angakhona ukukhuluma ukuthi abobani abantu abahlukumezile and sifuna ukuthi ibail ikhanselwe for abantu abarape abantwana, abantu abahlukumeza abantu abesifazane. Sifuna ukulwela ukuthi ijustice iserve for abantwana besikolo, abantu besifazane, abomamethu, abosisi bethu.
Le mashi isabalale ezindaweni eziningi zaseNingizimu Afrika jikelele kulandela ke ukuthinteka kwabantu ngalesi sigameko losekuphele izinyanga ezinhlanu ubulungiswa bungatholakali. Ezinabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngise Johannesburg.